Hello dear students, so here I came with the third bit of your revision. So you have to read the passage given below, focusing on the parts that are underlined. You have to focus on this part that are underlined and rewrite them as directed. So first is coffee is one of the most popular drinks in the world. Rewrite the sentence using very few. Very few use करते हुए sentence को फिर से लिखना है. So very few drinks are most popular as like coffee in the world. Okay, next is it has caffeine, it stimulates our mind. Combine the sentence with which. So combine means हमारे दो sentence join करना है. So it has caffeine which stimulates our mind. Next, let's see the third one. Rewrite the sentence using prefer. People in South India like coffee more than tea. So prefer coffee more than tea. The people of South India. Next, rewrite the sentence beginning with relief. A cup of coffee brings relief. So you have to rewrite relief is brought from a cup of coffee. When you rewrite a sentence, some words, some meanings changes. So let's see the next one. Rewrite the sentence beginning with taking. Too much intake of coffee affects our health. So taking too much intake of coffee affects our health. Understood, students? Thank you.